Hi, I'm Marjie Kemper, and I wanted to tell you about the Mixed Media Art Membership Group. It's my newest art adventure, and I'm thrilled and excited to announce that registration is now open. This is different than one of my classes you might have taken in the past, in that this is a monthly subscription. So every month there'll be new content. There is a project of the month, a challenge of the month, a Zoom create-along session. I'm super excited about those, and actually the response I've been getting from people who already know about it is really exciting, because instead of it being like this where I'm talking to you on the camera, we'll be in a group Zoom, so I'll be able to see you and see what you're working on too. So the way I'm envisioning it is we have the project of the month announced the first Monday of the month, and then the following week we have this creative get-together. And it'll be people from all around the world. And what's better than right now, everyone knows how to Zoom. So you can actually talk to somebody in our group, regardless of where they are, and see what they're working on in relation to the project of the month. The other thing we'll have, I mentioned, is the challenge of the month. That's going to be a little bit looser, where I'll give a little bit of a prompt, so to speak, and then you run with it however you want. So I'm picturing just an enormous variety of creative projects that people make based on that. I wanted to talk for a minute about the difference between a membership and just a regular Facebook group. I will offer a Facebook group because I know that that's what a lot of people are comfortable with, but we also have a gated community here. So it's really quite structured. And I took a little screenshot. This part is not open yet because I'm still building it, but when you're a member, you'll log in and this is what you'll see. And I'll bring it close for a second, but then I'll just read it to you. Each of these windows is a doorway to content. So we have the project of the month, we have the Zoom create-along sessions, we have the theme challenges, we have the different social components. So if you're comfortable with Facebook, which if you're watching this video you probably are, then you might prefer the Facebook group. But a lot of people are not. And so a lot of people might choose the private forum. That's a really great aspect or benefit of this program that I'm using to build it. It's called Kajabi, and it's a wonderful platform. We also have an inspiration gallery where members have posting privileges, and then there are 3 different resource areas. There's a project vault, a technique vault, and a resource library. So right now I'm building all of this, and I'm doing kind of a soft opening. So it's from now through Saturday that the doors are open. It's only $20 a month as a founding member. Now what will happen is Saturday I'll close the doors, and then I'll work with the founding members for the next probably 2 months. We will together decide how the content gets set up. So I'm not going to assume that I know what you want. I think I know what a lot of you want, but I'm going to ask you. So for the month of June, it's going to be a lot of back and forth, surveys, polls, conversations in the Facebook group, and I'll be building the content, and then in a few months we'll have all these vaults, right? We'll have the project of the month from July, from August, from September, and it'll be a resource that you can go back to at any time. Again, there will be the technique vault too. So if you don't want to look at the whole project, but you want to say, gee, how do I do such and such? There'll be video instruction in there. Oh, and very important, I wanted to mention the videos will be closed captioned. I know I have a lot of folks who have hearing issues, and also a lot of people simply don't want to have the sound on. So I will have the videos closed captioned. Okay, so again, this is a peek into the portal. It's more than a Facebook group. Right now, I just started promoting this yesterday, and I'm closing it Saturday. We already have over 25 members from 5 different countries. So the response is fantastic. This is the link. I'll put it in the comments above, but it's bit.ly/mixedmediaartmembership. Okay, let's see. I think I've covered everything. 2 communities, project of the month, challenge of the month, gated portal, technique vault, project vault, resource library, people from around the world, super supportive community. If you've ever been in one of mine, you know it's only positive. So I anticipate people coming with all different levels of experience. And actually part of what I'm doing with this membership is I'm building it based on 5 levels of experience. So I'll go into more about that tomorrow. But just know that there will be content suitable for people who consider themselves brand new, all the way to people who consider themselves art addicts. Okay? All right. Well, thanks so much for tuning in, and please leave any questions or comments below. I will be checking in later on and responding, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you in the Mixed Media Art membership group.